Atlanta recently had a sneak peek on their next coaster, and basically we already know it's going to be an RMC hybrid. So we already know the colors, we know part of the ride, how it's gonna look like. So here's the image. We only got two images of how the coaster will look like. Obviously, we don't have a picture of the rest of the layout, including the lift hill and station area. We don't know if it's gonna have more inversions. The only thing we see is this dive drop, like what you see on Goliath at Six Flags uh, Great America. This is gonna be the like Goliath at Six Flags Great America on steroids. So basically, we got only two photos on here. So this is the first one that we've seen from an Instagram post, according to what I heard. Then we got this image here showing a drop entering the dive drop element, or as I can say, the dive loop. I'm not sure if this is an element, but this is a dive loop element. So as you can tell, it has the same structure as Goliath at Six Flags Great America and probably Zadra. I don't know if Zadra has a dive loop, but correct me if I'm wrong. But this absolutely looks awesome. The colors are starting to, to look girl on me. I mean, yeah, we know red, white, and blue that represents America, so they did a good job on that. And we still don't have a name yet, but we know that it's gonna have a couple of inversions. I'm not sure if it's gonna feature a Top Gun stall like the Goliath at Six Flags Great America, but if it does, then the more that will be pretty cool. Now I like that it's a longer ride than Goliath. I mean, I have not ridden Goliath at Six Flags Great America, but I've seen the video of it, and it seems to be pretty short. So this one is a bit longer. And fun fact about Fun Spot is that now um, the whole Georgia will have two RMC coasters in the same state. We have Twisted Cyclone, and then we're gonna have this brand new RMC coming to Fun Spot Atlanta. It kind of doesn't really make any sense to me because I thought that Fun Spot is actually geared towards family stuff, or that's what I'm trying to say here. I thought it's more geared towards family rides, not rides for older people. But I guess I'm wrong. So the dive drop element looks massive. So this is all we got, but maybe later down the line we'll see an animation of this ride. And now so far, YouTubers are coming up with concept with their prediction on how the ride may look like. But like I said before, this is all we got, so we wouldn't even know the rest of the layout. But I mean, we know the blueprint and we know this image, but we still have no idea on how the ride will go. Like, you know, if it's gonna have more than this inversion that we see. But pretty sure it's gonna have the shin guards for the cars, and yeah, I'm sure it's not going to be a wooden hybrid coaster, like Lightning Rod or Wildfire Comartin. This is gonna be an iBox track, a hybrid steel coaster. So this is a big project. Right now, they're actually clearing the land, according to what I heard from somebody on YouTube, or yeah, whatever that is. They're clearing part of the land, and yeah, it's gonna take a while before track shows up because they still need to announce the ride and everything before they can start vertical construction, and they also need to have the city approve it too, which I'm pretty sure they probably did by now, because the layout has been leaked, and now we got an idea of the photo, how the colors will be, and looks like in my last video I was wrong, so please ignore that. It was yeah, because I thought the family coaster was going to Fun Spot in Atlanta, but I was wrong. So no, well, probably the RMC family coaster will go to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. I mean, but we already got Invaders, so I don't know if they're still gonna do a family hybrid coaster. I mean, anything's possible if the park has money, if they can afford it, if they wanna. So yeah. Anyway, uh, yeah, anything is possible. So about this RMC hybrid, I think it looks absolutely insane and bonkers. Uh, I wish my yeah, I just wish I can go there, but you know, the money, it's so expensive to go to places just to um, get to a park. But I'm also far away from it, so there's no way I can see it. But the colors, yeah, it looks fine. The red, white, and blue kind of describes me as patriotic. So they probably gonna have to come up with a name that has to do with American. So maybe American Eagle or something like that along the line. Maybe the Independence Rider, Independence Twister, uh, or maybe the firework coaster, whatever they want to come up with. But they gotta like kind of think of a theme with American because it's red, white, and blue. So yeah. So what are your thoughts on this coaster? Um, how are you feeling about this coaster so far? Do you guys like it? Do you guys think it's a bad addition? Do you think they could have gone with an RMC family coaster instead of this? I mean, what are you guys' thoughts? Share your comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.